Yeah, look at the mangroves. So peaceful and calm and quiet. How good is this? Beautiful. Oh, swampy. And fire everywhere. What does the sign say? No camping. Wouldn't be a bad spot to camp, you know. There's garbage. Let's go pick up the garbage. I don't like bottles. Plastic. Again, looks like a cow poo. Someone left a garbage here. Why? It's going in the bin. Gooses. Why would someone leave that here? What a beautiful spot. I don't think it'd be good, particularly nice for camping. Matt is moving very slowly against the tide. He's got a long way to go. I'll chuck it in the bin. Little channel. You'll find Matt. He's way up there.